Hello. Finally, uh, the first copy of my 9 book has just arrived from the US, and let's unbox it together. Yes, I've been waiting for this. This will complete uh, my first 9 printed books. Complete my first 9 printed books. And what copy is this? Whoa. 15 things I wish I had mastered by age 30 for maximum achievement. Wow. So this completes my first 9 printed books. Thank God for his mercies. This will be an awesome book to read. How to achieve the maximum best that God has enabled you to. How to be a great achiever in everything you do. The 15 greatest achievements that you can have in life. God bless you even as you patronize this book. Amen.